Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about Turbo. Turbo is going mad. We're going to look on the price action. We're going to show you resistances that come in. We're going to show you what we think about Turbo. Sir, make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Look, Turbo, very big bounce, insane pump. Okay, already pumped. How much is it? Like double. Already had a double in the last 2 days. Insane pump. If you bought it here, congrats. If you bought that breakout, congrats to you. Me, I didn't buy Turbo. I buy other stuff at the moment, but I'm watching it. Now I'm watching it. Now Turbo completely gained my respect after it got wrecked for 3 months. Okay, 3 months in a row, it got wrecked 90% from its highs. Okay, so now Turbo is showing insane strength, and I will look for a trade in the next couple of days if Turbo will allow. Again, if Turbo will allow. If it's just gonna rip like that, I'm gonna pass on it because remember, I'm a trader. I'm not a hodler. I'm not a cultist. I don't give an F about this stuff. I care about entering a position, putting my stops, and take my profits. That's it. Remember, no edge, no trade. At the moment, for me, there is no edge because it's too risky to buy now. Okay, I want to see what I want to see in Turbo. I will show you now, sir. Make sure to smash the like. Look, this is the Turbo fib resistance. Okay, fib levels. We're now reaching this first fib level. Okay, if it clear that level, your next resistance is right here. Okay, around the 6 mark. Okay, now this is also a very strong resistance. Okay, you want to mark it on your chart for Turbo. If it clear that level, let me take that one. Okay, I'll show you here. If it cleared that level, you got yourself a potential bull run. Again, this is again, remember, Turbo got wrecked for a while, just like many other names. Okay, and now Bitcoin is making a significant move, significant breakout, and obviously Turbo will pump. Okay, Turbo will pump, and Turbo is pumping the hardest. That's why it's now red hot on my radar for continuation trade. I will show you what I'm looking for. Okay, make sure to smash the like. Now look, this is the first test of this resistance. We'll see what it wants to do. Okay, now again, this is your first resistance. Now we have here, this is the major resistance I'm watching. Okay, this is the major resistance I'm watching for Turbo. You can see this is the 200-day MA here at around the 6. Okay, and we have the next fib level of resistance. Now, again, if it keep ripping from here, I'm not touching it. I'm waiting for a consolidation or a sideways or a pullback, okay, or a retest. Okay, so if it do a retest, setting up nicely for me to buy and put my stops, I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna share a trade alert in the community. If not, man, we keep trading others. We have other names. We have other successful, amazing trades, man. Okay, life is amazing. Okay, now if Turbo, again, I want to have Turbo on a trade. I want to have, but only if it will give me what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm not gonna FOMO in like a moron, like a lady boy, from the audience that trade with $5. Okay, not my cup of tea. I'm here to make money, to grow my account. Okay, and to be in a profitable trades from the get-go, from the moment I'm buying. Okay, now if it's gonna do that, I'm buying. If it's gonna do that, bull flag, I'm buying. Okay, I want to see now Turbo looks like there is a chance it's going to it can. I'm not saying it will. I'm saying there is a chance it can reverse the downtrend and break above the 200-day MA. So I'm watching. If this is the area it's gonna get rejected, and maybe it's gonna build some kind of a pattern here, just like it did here. Okay, and we're gonna have some nice horizontal resistance here. That's going to be amazing breakout trade for me to enter a swing trade position in Turbo. Okay, that's it. Now, if it's going to break out, retest it, again, same idea. Going to be amazing opportunity, in my opinion, to scale into position. Or if it retests the 200-day and come down, amazing. Now, if it's just going to rip like that, like all the moon boys and the toilet people think, okay, like that in a vertical fashion, I'm going to pass on it, man. I'm going to pass on it. Or I'm not gonna, or if I'm gonna, I'm gonna pass on it. I'm gonna look on the 4 hourly, or the 1 hourly for some kind of consolidation. But now You don't buy this kind of pumps, okay? I'm not buying pumps, I'm buying breakout, okay? At the moment, there is no, it already broke out. Now I want to see when it's going to do a retest, when it's going to cool off, and then I'm going to buy the next breakout or a bull flag or something like that. That's me, all right? That's me, my friend. That's what I'm watching. Make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. We're going to keep you posted on the turbo price action now. Hopefully it will allow us a nice entry. So make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Sir, if you feel the FOMO and you want to FOMO into this, well, first of all, you can do whatever the F you want. But in my opinion, this is a big mistake to FOMO into something without a proper entry, a proper edge, a proper trade. If you don't have a proper trade, ignore it, man. Buy something else. Trade something else. Lower risk, you know, and etc. Now, let's look at Bitcoin, okay, because Turbo is running with Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin broke out. We're getting a major signal for Bitcoin. Obviously, we bought the breakout here in the community. So make sure if you want to join our community, sir, link below. We bought the breakout on Bitcoin here. Okay, that was a low risk trade. You can put big money and you just print, okay? You just print. Now, Bitcoin above its moving averages, if it can start another run, another move to new highs, there is a chance Turbo will go to new highs as well, man. Okay, there is a chance. Now, let's go back to Turbo. Let's go back to Turbo. So again, always watch Bitcoin. Be professional. Don't be a lady boy. Okay, don't be a lady boy. For get it, because what happened when you were trading with emotion or following your emotions? You got wrecked. You got wrecked the last. Don't forget. You got wrecked in the first quarter of the year, and this could be just a fake bounce. Okay, so again, treat it trade Turbo professionally, man. Treat it professionally. Don't treat it like a girlfriend or like some kind of a. Come on, man. Stop with the nonsense, okay? Stop with the nonsense. Trade it. Make money, okay? Take profit, and obviously buy more if it's setting up for an add-on trade, okay? Treat it as a trade, because if you treat it as a trade, you can make very good money if it's gonna do something. If it's gonna do some big moves, like it did here in September, or if it's going to do what it did in May 2024, that's going to be an insane move for your account. And again, remember, keep yourself level-headed. You're going to hear all the toilet people coming now and screaming, oh, Turbo to 50 cents, Turbo to $1, Turbo. Cut the crap, man. Cut the crap. You're up in profit. You're up in double, take some profit. You're up a triple, take profit. You're up a quadruple, 5x, 10x, take profit. Because remember, if you're not going to take your profit, someone else will. By the way, sir, smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you open yourself a Bitunix account. This is the best exchange. Where is this exchange, man? I'm inviting you to open an account there, man. This is a non-KYC, non-VPN. You can trade all the best cryptocurrencies on the futures. You get 200 USDT bonus if you deposit 1K. You have major bonuses. The lowest fees, man. Stop trading on Coinbase. You're going to get yourself wrecked. I also have a tutorial on how to use this exchange on the description below. Check it out, man. Join Bitunix. Let me show you a trade we took in the community of Kaspa. This was the trade on Kaspa 4 days ago in the community. Everybody got notified with an email and with an app notification. Look at this trade. Buy the break above 785 and then double up on 795. Look at the Kaspa trade, man. Trade crypto. Don't be baby boy. Don't be a lady boy. Where is the Kaspa trade? You can see this is the Kaspa trade. Obviously, it didn't pump like Turbo, but still, that was our entry right here. We had 2 entries here, currently up on the trade, 26% max gain. Probably gonna go higher. We have many other trades. We trade other meme coins as well. And we're going to look for an entry for Turbo. So if you are a Turbo Maxi, this channel will smoke the Turbo trades all the way in 2024 and 2020. And in the end of 2024, and 2025. So, sir, make sure to join the community. Link below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.